Wow, a lot of people. Well, welcome, families, friends, faculties, and staff. And congratulations to my class of 2008. Today, I could think of no better way to begin my speech than to express my deepest appreciations and gratitude for those who supported us and guided us throughout our journey thus far. We thank our professors who have exposed us to new ideas and new perspectives about our world. We thank you for challenging us and preparing us for such a magnificent moment. We thank our families and friends for being there for us, for showing us your love and support. Most of all, thank you for believing in us. Without you, we wouldn't be here today. As I look at you today, I see happy faces. For some of us, we are delighted because we are the first person in our families to ever graduate from college. I was born in a small village in East Africa, Oromia. I came to this country when I was 16 years old. My mother never went to school, and my father, who has been working as a dishwasher to prepare me for this day, has only a fourth grade level of education. I learned how to read, write, and speak in English language after I came to America. I graduated from Jefferson High School in 2003 and started PSU in the fall of the same year. It wasn't an easy road for me. Since English is not my first language, I had to take 2 years of ESL in high school. By the time I was a senior, I was told that, in spite of my solid GPA, my level of English would prevent me from attending any university. I went ahead and applied to PSU anyway, and PSU gave me the opportunity to succeed. I was also awarded various scholarships, including the Diversity Recognition Scholarship. Thanks to PSU, my father can now proudly say that he too had a son with a university degree. Regardless of our path, we should never forget that we are the fruits of Portland State University. Now, PSU has entrusted us with sufficient knowledge to change our world. But the question is how? To me, changing the world starts from changing yourself and striving to contribute to your world in a micro level. Think globally, act locally. And what is a better way to act locally than to becoming a mentor? In my opinion, by helping a child understand the value of education, you have made an enormous contribution to